All right, today's video, I'm gonna share with you why I'm still optimistic on the crypto space. In fact, I'm actually more bullish than ever. While most people have given up, they've lost hope, the sentiment is down, that's just not me. And so if you're new here, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Donnie Joseph. On this channel, we talk about crypto, investing, wealth building, mindset, macroeconomics. So if any of that stuff interests you, subscribe to the channel, engage with the content. Believe it or not, your engagement helps small channels like this. So the likes, the comments, the shares, it's all greatly appreciated. And let's just jump right in. So here's the thing. Most people have given up on the crypto space in terms of thinking that it's going to continue to go down. And it may do that. But here's the thing. I'm not one of those guys that is going to find the negatives in situations. I'm always looking for the silver lining. And yes, the market is down. Yes, there's a lot of volatility. Yes, we have the issues going on globally and all of that stuff. However, here's what I realize and why I'm still very bullish and very optimistic on the crypto space. Number one, I don't look at the crypto space on a day-to-day basis. I zoom out and I analyze it in terms of years. Okay, so that's the first and foremost. I zoom out and I try to look at the bigger picture. It's like being a soccer player that's on the field or somebody that's watching it from an elevated view. I try to watch from an elevated view because it looks much differently than when you're standing on the field and everything is eye level, okay? So that's the first thing. However, here's my thoughts as a whole. If we look at the previous bull runs in the crypto space, most of the success that people had on crypto projects was based around speculation and narrative, okay? So that's very key to understand that. It was based on speculation and narrative. Whereas the projects in today's space, I believe, have less to do with speculation and narrative and more to do with utility. Because again, when you zoom out, we have to look at what are these projects doing? What are they going to be involved in? Because we also know that the crypto space, the digital asset space, tokenization, blockchain, that is the future. So with that being said, while the market is down, and again, it may go down further, but we can get these projects at a very significant discount that in time, keyword time, are going to go up in value based on their utility. That's how I invest. I am not investing based on speculation, okay? All of it is based on utility and adoption. Which companies are going to be part of the new infrastructure? And again, I can't help but be excited when I look at it through that lens because I'm like, dude, I can continuously invest daily with prices that I feel very comfortable with. I've been reading the book, Intelligent Investor, about Warren Buffett's approach to investing. He's not looking to catch the bottom. He's looking to get great companies at a fair price. And I feel the exact same way when it comes to investing in these crypto projects. I don't need to get the bottom. I just need to get a fair price because I believe in what they're doing. It's a great company. They're going to be involved in the next 5 years, 10 years, 15 years. And I can get a piece of the action now at a discounted price. That's all I'm looking for. And so again, I remain optimistic. I'm not going to find the negatives in it. I understand that there's people that do, and unfortunately for them, guys like me come in and take up, the opportunities that are presented, right? There is such a small percentage of the world that is invested in the crypto space. And for the people that are here, the people that are able to remain unfazed, keep their emotions in check, use a strategy, stay disciplined, these are the ones that are going to have massive success while everybody else gets left behind. I hope this video finds you well, and until next time, we'll talk soon.